Welcome to this new video where we will delve deeper into Tesla's 3 to 6, 9 method. Nikola Tesla was an inventor, physicist and electrical engineer, born to a Serbian family in the current territory of Croatia during the period of the Austrian Empire, then naturalized American in 1891. In the meantime, remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with anyone you think can benefit from it. In this way you will help us to always create new content for your personal and spiritual growth. Tesla's 3 to 6, 9 method is a fascinating practice that has captured the imagination of many, offering a unique perspective on the manifestation and potential of the universe. This method is based on the idea that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 are fundamental in the divine code of the universe, and that understanding and using these numbers can lead to the manifestation of desires. Nikola Tesla, the Serbian engineer and inventor known for his contributions in electromagnetism and engineering, firmly believed in the importance of the numbers 3, 6, and 9. He believed that these figures represented a magical sequence within the divine code of the universe and that understanding this sequence could reveal the mysteries of the universe itself. The practice of manifestation, which is the basis of the 3 to 6, 9 method, is essentially about cultivating something tangible through positive thinking, belief, intent and action. It is not enough just to desire something, but it is necessary to be proactive in creating conditions and actions that reflect the desires you want to manifest. The 3 to 6, 9 method is divided into different phases and practices to be followed carefully. First, 3 clear statements are written that represent the desires to be expressed, and they are read 6 times a day, pronouncing each statement for 9 seconds, immersing oneself in the energy and enthusiasm as if the result had already been achieved. It is important to maintain focus on the goal and the positive energy associated with the desires. This practice is continued for cycles of 9 days, during which constant attention and concentration is maintained on the desires to be manifested. There are various ways to adapt the 3 to 6, 9 method to your needs and time availability. For example, you can choose specific times of the day to read the affirmations, focusing on the numbers 3, 6, and 9. You can also customize the method by reducing or increasing the frequency of practices based on your preferences. Despite experts' conflicting opinions on the scientific validity of the 3 to 6, 9 method, many individuals find it useful to adopt a practice that helps them define their goals and focus on their desires. Mental clarity and focused action can bring amazing results in realizing personal dreams and goals. In conclusion, Tesla's 3 to 6, 9 method offers an intriguing approach to connecting to the forces of the universe and manifesting your desires. It's an invitation to explore the potential of positive thinking and purposeful action to create the life you want. Thank you for sharing this journey with us. Remember to activate YouTube channel notifications to stay updated on upcoming videos for personal and spiritual growth. See you soon.